Hi, I'm Sean. I started out looking on Google for spine surgery, actually spine readjustment surgery. And I came across Bert's blog and made an appointment. I didn't know what to expect at first. I never had an adjustment before. I never saw a chiropractor. Over the sessions, I got adjustments and massages, and I watched my progress through taking pictures, and I watched my progress improve along with my exercising out on my own and the adjustments, and I feel like it really helped me because it uh, helped my posture, helped me to straighten up, and I feel like it was worth it. I feel like it was worth the effort of coming and the investment. So I'm happy with the results.
What about tell our audience about the sleep pattern, and also what you told me in the beginning when you came, and you tell me what people were
Well, I felt my posture wasn't good at all, and I felt like people were kind of making fun of me behind my back because of the way I walk and my posture issues. And after the adjustments, I feel like my posture improved, and I feel like I'm walking stronger, and my back is and spine is straighter and stronger. So I kind of don't notice that anymore, and I feel better about that now. As far as sleep, I sleep a little bit better now after the adjustments and after the massage. I just feel better. My body feels better, so I can sleep a little bit better now.
awesome. Well, thanks for sharing. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to add the postural changes at the end of this video. And thanks very much for sharing this with our audience. All right, thanks.
All right.